should we do with you? What should we do with you? Give you some more hair. Yeah. Oh, you can't see. You can't see, huh? There you go. You can see me now. I forgot that they did that really crazy face. No, don't take that seriously. No, you look fine. Look, I'll give you a rinse. If you want that. There you go. Oh, no. It was just a joke. Let's give you like a little hair. But before you go, we gotta blow that out. Oh, so I'll give you my very special crazy hairdo. What was that? I can't hear you through the hair. Sorry, you're just gonna have to tell me